Meet the DJI Mini 4K, a game-changing ultralight drone that's redefining what beginners can achieve in aerial photography and videography. Let's explore why this tiny powerhouse is making waves in the drone world. The DJI Mini 4K packs impressive features into an incredibly compact design. Weighing just 249 grams, it stays under the 250-gram threshold. And do you all know what's the star of the show? True 4K video at 30 frames per second with an upgraded option for 2.7K at 60 fps for smoother action shots. The 12-megapixel camera sits on 1x2.3-inch sensor with an 83-degree field of view, equivalent to a 24mm lens. It captures stunning aerial photos and supports RAW format for professional editing flexibility. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal assures butterly smooth footage, even in windy conditions up to level 5 winds. So, how does this tiny drone stay so stable in the sky? It's all about sophisticated technology working in harmony. The DJI Mini 4K uses GPS and GLONASS satellite positioning systems to maintain precise hovering and enable automated return to home functionality. The 3-axis gimbal is the secret to smooth footage. It mechanically compensates for drone movements in real time using gyroscopic sensors and brushless motors. This stabilization technology, once reserved for professional cinema cameras, is now in your hand. Aerodynamically, the 4 propellers create lift through rapid rotation, while the drone's electronic speed controllers adjust motor speeds thousands of times per second to maintain stability. Downward-facing vision sensors are infrared sensors help with precision landing and low-altitude hovering. Now, let's talk about performance. The Mini 4K delivers up to 31 minutes of flight time in ideal condition, though realistically, expect around 20 minutes of active flying. The OcuSync 2.0 transmission system provides a stable video feed up to 10 kilometers away. The camera offers multiple intelligent shooting modes, like quick shots with AI subject tracking, panoramas including 180-degree and sphere modes, and exposure bracketing for challenging lighting conditions. You can even shoot in manual mode with full control over ISO and shutter speed. The 2x digital zoom is available even in 4K mode, giving you more creative framing options. While it's not a low-light champion due to the smaller sensor, but in good lighting conditions, the image quality is remarkably crisp and detailed. Whether you are a content creator, travel enthusiast, real estate professional, or simply someone who wants to capture memories from a new perspective, the Mini 4K delivers everything. Its portability means it fits in a small bag or even a jacket pocket. The DJI Fly app provides an intuitive interface with on-screen tutorial perfect for beginners. The DJI Mini 4K proves that great things come in small packages. With professional-grade features, intelligent flight modes, and stunning 4K quality, it's the perfect gateway into the world of aerial photography.